This is our 10-foot Intex Easy Set pool. Just going to do a quick walk around here. We sat it on the ground. I put a tarp underneath there. This kit came with a small pool pump here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is when you turn the pump on, it's not going to pump water. So what you have to do is you have to open this valve here, get the air out, and then when you see water coming out of the top, just close this back up. You'll see right there that it's pumping the water. This is a dual suction setup. Came with the kit. That's how you hook the T up. Now whenever you hook the pump up, you're going to see two plus signs here. That's suction into the hose. There'll be a plus sign right here. You can see it in the back. Bought a little floating chlorinator, just set it on one. Takes a 3-inch chlorine tablets. This is one day after filling it up. Really easy to set up. Takes about 2 hours to fill it up, maybe 3, depending on how much water pressure you got. There it is. Thanks for watching.